We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week.
Bye, babe.
Again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares?
Okay guys, I am back home. I went to the gym this morning and I got a good pump in. I did a glute and quads day. I usually like to start that on my Mondays just to get it out the way, and because you don't train legs just once a week, I train it at least 2 to 3 times. So if I get it out in the morning, then things are good. So yeah, I already had my protein shake this morning. Oh, my lips are like so shiny. It's because they were like hella dry before, but like a hella dry. Anyways, I had my protein shake this morning. I didn't finish it because I felt a little bit full, so I do have a little bit left. I'm going to just finish that off. Finish it off. So that's what I had this morning. I had this protein shake. It is the Optimum Nutrition whey protein, and I got it in cookies and cream. It tastes delicious. I don't know if it's just me, but I really don't like taking protein shakes all the time because it might be a little bit of a TMI, but guys, it makes me fart a lot, but like a lot. And the farts, they stink. They smell so bad, so I try not to take them all the time because I just can't deal with it. And B, that's always like out and about, like I can't have people smelling that. And then I'm gonna make myself a quick breakfast, and then I will go and have a shower afterwards, then start my day.
You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through.
Alright guys, we are done. Look at that. Amazing. Now we're gonna eat while I watch some Real Housewives. Guys, Atlanta is back and I'm super excited. So yes, let's eat.
Better, you stick with me, 'cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you.
This is the look. This is the look for today. Let me put on some earrings. What time are you going? What time are you going? Oh, this is me for today. Looking all cute and whatever. Do you know what? This is not even that kind of vlog. It's what I eat in a day. But I'm just gonna go do some work, and then when it's lunchtime or when I'm feeling a little bit peckish, I'm gonna make something to eat. Okay. It's lunchtime, time to eat, guys. Your girl is hungry. I made the other day, I made a tuna pasta salad. that should be on my Instagram already. So if you are following me on Instagram, then you would have seen it already. If you're not, then follow me on Instagram at vanessa.efiya, where I post daily and I'm just a bit more active. Now you can see me in a real life. But yeah, I'm gonna have that pasta salad now. I'm actually starving. The pancakes was not enough, but now I'm really, really hungry. Babe?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm good.
Cool.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. We used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways.
I'm also gonna have some mangoes. Because I'm obsessed.
Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week.
Guys, if you don't know about this, I am literally obsessed with these Asian crisps. Have you guys tried Lay's? Like, their Lay's, they have the best flavors. They've got spicy crayfish, which is obviously my favorite. They've got crab, they've got lamb cumin. Oh my gosh, I bought so much. I literally have like a fuss and fight with my husband all the time because he's like, how are you spending like £20 on just crisps? On crisps that are, how big are they? I think it's only 70 grams. It's not a lot, but they are absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna have some of that as well, but I had to put you guys on because guys, like your girl.
But I don't wanna think we're tossing, but who cares?
I've got my pasta salad over here. La la la, which, it's so good. And I've got 2 mangoes because I like sweet things and some crisps. When I'm like in the office, I do eat much later. Oopsie. Yeah, when I'm in the office, I do eat much later just because I like the day to go fast. But when I'm at home, I don't know, I just eat when I'm hungry, literally.
If someone shares say they wear something and it says from, they shared where it's from, and I need to.
Hey guys, so I've got changed into my house clothes. This is like just what I wear around the house, you know, after work, after a long day. And this is it. I got it from Ghana. You know, it's giving rich auntie vibes. But I'm about to make dinner now. I'm making some chicken tacos. And yeah, something nice and simple after a long day. Something that can fill me up, but also not too heavy because I have eaten quite a lot of carbs today, which I don't usually do. So I'm probably not gonna have that much anyway. So yeah, let's start making it. In my tacos, we like to have these fine beans, some plain mini wraps, coriander. I don't like coriander, but that will be for the mister. Jalapenos, and I've also got some ready-made guac and that's because it's a working week, so we can't be doing everything from scratch. Alright guys, so my dinner is done. These are my tacos, as you can see. Whoops. I have got refried beans in there, jalapenos, guacamole on the side, all that jazz, and yeah, like we are just going to eat it because I'm so hungry, so hungry. So what I do is I put it here like so, and then I dip it into the guac, like that. That is so good. All it's missing is sour cream, but I don't have any, and it's not that deep. That is amazing. So yeah, this is it guys. I'm gonna sit down on the sofa with my mister watching Married at First Sight. If you guys are not watching that, then honestly I don't know, but you need to get with the program and start watching Married at First Sight, okay? Because the drama is drama-ing. But yeah, we're gonna do that this evening. Such a lovely day today. Like, it said it was gonna rain, but it didn't rain. And yeah, it's been amazing guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.